All right, what is up, all you beautiful Fun Hacker Lab members? Today's video will be showing exactly how I set up this AI chatbot for this credit report company. More importantly, we'll be showing this AI chatbot and how we set it up in Go High Level, because Go High Level just released the AI appointment setting bot, which is completely revolutionizing the way we do these appointments. So let me just share my screen really quick. So I already do have a lot of it built out. I just want to show you how it all comes together with Go High Level's new appointment setting bot. So over here right now, the way we have this set up is we have a OpenAI there's two bots in here. First, the pre-qualification portion, and second, the actual booking portion where it books the appointment directly into your Go High Level calendar. And for that, we use the Go High Level's new AI appointment booking bot. First portion over here is the actual pre-qualification, which you won't really be going into this too in detail, mainly because this entire snapshot over here, this entire portion, all these workflows over here, you can get it right over here under the Funnel Hacker Lab membership. If you log in right over here, you go over to trainings and assets. These two sections over here you won't see. Only admins like me and some other guys will see it. All right, AI chatbot installation. From here, you can just download the AI chatbot right into your Go High Level account. Well, at least that workflow. Next portion is, all right, so the pre-qualification, that's gonna be directly linked with your, go back here, rewind a little bit. That's gonna be directly linked with your Zapier account. It's gonna be talking back and forth with Zapier, we use Zapier to go to OpenAI, and it communicates back and forth between OpenAI and Go High Level to do the actual pre-qualification portion of this bot. And for the second portion that we used to use something called Zappy Chat. Zappy Chat pretty much would just read when they need an appointment based upon some sort of trigger that we have in the workflow, and then it will send them out either 2 times that they're available, or it will ask them, hey, when's a good time that you're available? But let's get back into this, because realistically now all you really need is this portion on your Zapier account. And I'm assuming that within the next couple of weeks, Go High Level is always staying ahead of trends. It's going to optimize and change. Go High Level is going to change. So even this pre-qualification portion is going to be directly on Go High Level. And when that happens, you already know your big baller players got your back, and I let you know. And I hope you hook it up. So let's get back into this though. Booking portion over here. So the pre-qualification portion is actually set. It's all good, ready to rock. We just had to import a couple of custom values. The main being custom values go over here. The main portion of the custom values that we really need is the GPT webhook over here, which you just put into the webhook to go to Zapier to communicate with OpenAI. That's a pre-qualification portion. We used to use this part over here for Zappy Chat, but we don't need that anymore, honestly. Because all we need now, if you go to Conversation AI, excuse me, go over here, go to support channels, Instagram, Google My Business, Facebook, pick a calendar, credit per calendar, conversational workflow. We don't really need this, but what you could do is you can add the questions on here so that it could understand what questions to send out these people, which is really pretty cool. But we're not going to need that right now. Bot trial, bot training. Now they're literally changing this every single day. So this bot training is what teaches the bot how to talk. And now they have the bot training right on here. So you can post your exact URL over here and it will gather data based upon it. So let's do that now. So I'm going to go over here. We're going to go to sites. We're going to go over to the site that we built out for this guy. I'm going to go to credit repair main funnel. Let's grab this one over here. We're going to copy that link over there. We're going to go back. We're going to go over to Conversation AI, bot training, boom, 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 paste that right into there and gather some data. Now, this is what's training the bot on how to talk, how to answer on behalf of your business. Over here, the bot settings, these actual conversation flow, you can actually pre-qualify them right through here. But it is a little buggy. So right now, I recommend that you use Zapier in conjunction with OpenAI, because that's what's working mainly. Okay. And when this works a little bit better, don't worry. Like I said, I'll let you know. But training over here, this is the link over here. Status failed. Maybe try to restart over here. It's getting data right now, but we don't really need that too much. So we're going to go back over here. We're going to go over to automations. We're going to go over to booking bot. And what we're going to do is we're going to add on a new, actually, first let's turn these off. These are the old ones over here because we don't need this anymore. Like I said, we're going to make sure to turn off all of these, go back to here. I'm going to turn off this, the robot replies. This used to be some sort of complicated workflow that we spent a lot of money building out, figuring this out. headaches, talk about headaches, trying to make all this work seamlessly through Zappy Chat, but F that now. Sorry, Zappy Chat, but your software might be a little dunzo. But we're gonna go into this because Go High Level is so amazing, and we love Go High Level. All right, we're gonna go into here. We're gonna start from scratch. And the way we're gonna set this up is that I have another portion right over here, so I can copy right off of. We're gonna have it set up so that when the bot is activated, then to put out this workflow. So we're gonna go to bot, I don't want it. Status. Now we're gonna go to my apologies. It's going to be contact changed. This hit here, bot status has changed to turning on the bot. And we're also going to add another one, which is contact change and customer reply. So when the customer replies to the actual bot status. So when the pre-qualification bot when it's done with all the pre-qualification questions, to turn the bot status as on, customer replied bot. And so when they actually reply to that, then boom, it's gonna send out the appointment booking bot. What we're gonna have it do first is remove from all workflows, excluding itself. All right, we don't want to remove from this one. Then we're setting off the AI appointment bot, appointment booking bot. All right, let me just copy what I have over here just to make things a little easier for me and for you. Boom, boom, boom. Let's grab that. We're gonna go over here. Sweet, you qualify for a credit repair consultation, a free credit repair consultation. CONSULTATION. ION. Money free for a quick call. And I mean, what you could do is I usually have it, or you can turn that off. But what you could also do, so like let's say you have a separate workflow for when they actually book the appointment, sends them appointment reminders. The way I have it actually is a confirmation. So it sends, hey, make sure you respond yes to confirm this appointment. Then it sends out the appointment reminders. So what you could do if you don't have that, you can have a success message that say, hey, we reserved the appointment for this time, and we will call you to confirm the appointment, or we will text you to confirm this appointment. Boom. Oh, processing hours 3, and then this credit per calendar. Sweet. All right, so did the bot to book the appointment? If they did, we're going to update the appointment status. Update appointment status to new, not confirmed yet, because like I said, they haven't confirmed the appointment just yet. Okay, we're going to switch out the opportunity over here so that credit repair leads appointments. It goes over your free consult booked. Boom. Now we did the bot time out. So they didn't book an appointment. What do we have them go to? We have them go back to leads over here. So if they didn't book an appointment, the bot timed out. We're going to have them go over here. We're going to create leads and appointments. And we're just going to throw them into needs nurturing, because what that needs nurturing pipeline does over here for the credit repair snapshot is it keeps on sending them out emails and text messages, even voicemail drops until they all after like 6 months until they actually book an appointment. All right. And I know what you're thinking. You're probably like, but Blade. Why don't we have them just go into this bot and have the bot reconvene with them, through emails and stuff? Well, the bot really doesn't work too well with emails. What I found, let me put this for 2 days. The bot mainly works with SMS, text message, Instagram, Facebook, things like that. But let's go over here. So we built this portion out now. Like, as you can see, guys, simplified it so much. Also, another thing too, why you send them out to needs nurture, not to another AI bot, is because we found that the needs nurture campaign that we have is absolutely hyper optimized, especially when it comes to credit repair to this niche. So the open rates are incredible in our needs nurture campaign. So we find that works better than an open AI bot. I mean, don't get me wrong, setting up the bot to send them out messages every so often is great, but you can also just add them simply to a needs nurture campaign and just have it go around multiple times on that needs nurture campaign. Okay. Or at the very end, have it stop for like 60 days and then put them back to that nurture campaign. But let's go back over here because now we got the bot working. We got to run it. Let's go. Now, the way the bot works is that it memorizes the conversation based upon the email. So if you're coming in from Instagram or Facebook, in order for it to remember a conversation, actually puts a fake email on there. So I want to make sure first, I don't have my email on here. I do already. Because every single time this bot goes out, you want to make sure that you add a completely new email. Otherwise, it memorizes a conversation and the bot will sound like weird. All right, so let's go over here. Start from the beginning with my blade. right, fake email at gmail.com. Actually, I'm gonna do AOL because no way I'm replicating that. Who uses an AOL anymore? Guys, if you text me to that personal number, I'm gonna get pissed. All right. I'm gonna block you. I don't want people going to my personal number, but I just need that right now. As I got my phone right here. So, all right, cool. It says, "Hi Blake, congrats on taking the first step to financial stability. My name is Hannah, and I'm hoping you have a great day so far. Do you mind if I ask you a couple of questions to ensure that working with us is the best option for you?" You know what I'm gonna say? I'm gonna be like, "Yeah, sure, why not?" I'm gonna be like, "Yes." Responds yes. And then what I'm thinking I'm gonna do is that this pre-qualification portion does take a little bit. So it's just the back and forth kind of takes some time. So if you want to skip ahead of this, I'm gonna keep on recording, but if you want to just like skip, we'll probably give you skip ahead like a minute or something. Thanks for confirming. Can you share your credit score? And be like, it's a 600 credit score, and I have a high utilization. UTI. Perfect. You have high utilization. Is that run through? Beautiful, beautiful. Now it communicates back and forth. Now, what I like about this is that on here, let's say these words are too long over here, you can actually go back over here. And for example, like if the sentences are too long, you can change out the character count so that if you go down here, max tokens, you can lower that to 150. I mean, this is boosted, so this is a completely different one. So like this credit per client over here, I might lower that to like 150 as well too. That's right. That's how but it does get straight to the point. Thanks for sharing that, Blade. It sounds like you're dealing with high utilization issue. To better understand the situation, do you ever file for bankruptcy? And I'm like, no, I haven't. No, I have not. Never filed for bankruptcy. While waiting for this to respond, because right now, all we got to do is just kind of just wait and go back and forth with this bot. I'm going to light up my cigar, my delicious, delicious cigar as we wait. And we're going to pray that this bot works on the first try. If not, it's going to make a great video for me to show you how I fix whatever is wrong with it. All right, now also it's asking me for, hey, do you have FICO? The reason why we're asking this is because it's going to lead them into a credit monitoring service. So I'm gonna be like, no, I don't. I don't have a FICO report. Oops. Siri, shut up. So I said, no, I don't. We're gonna let it get back to OpenAI. Sure. It's saying, hey, we would recommend using FICO, using a FICO report. We have a good one with Smart Credit. Do you mind if I send you a link? And would you be able to start that up right now? Now, if you want to, what you could also do on here is that you can completely skip this portion over here. I mean, you don't have to. I'm going to ask my client if they want this, but you can be like, you can tell in the rules that, oops, excuse me, if they don't have the FICO report, leave no fluff, just give them the link, give them and use the word exact link. Let me pull up that actual Zapier so you guys know what I'm talking about. Now right here, qualification. So what I mean over here, that if you wanted to, I would be here, let me edit draft, go to edit. That's just right now. Give concise answers. Without any fluff. If on question 3, I'm just gonna doesn't have my answer. Give them this exact link. Don't recommend. I don't want to say recommend because then I think that's what's causing it to have. Save it. I don't want to say recommend. The reason why I'm saying don't say recommend on there is because that's caused them to have like that portion that says, "Hey, do you mind if we send this to you?" I don't want to have this one over here. I don't want to be like, "Hey, do you mind? We recommend smart credit. Do you mind if we send it over to you?" I want to completely skip it. It's like fluff. I don't want that. So instead of saying recommend, just say give them this exact link. Okay, and as you can probably tell, all this is just going back and forth, really testing it out. Give concise, short answers. I'm gonna say. I mean, concise and short. Give concise. I mean, I think that recommendation thing is gonna fix it. So let me go down here, continue, skip tests. We don't need to test it again. Just want to make sure I publish it over here. Cool, publish. Because if you don't have it published, the bot's not gonna work, as you guys can probably assume. Because if you have it just on draft, it's not really gonna work. So make sure you always publish it. I always go back to make sure that it's published, and I know it's published by saying, "Hey, it says edit draft over here." And one thing, too, guys, a little help is that if you are setting up this bot and you don't want to have to go back and forth through text message or even Instagram, to make sure that your conversations go out the right way, I always go to Open AI and look at Playground. Because if you go to the Playground, it's instant communication with the bot. So that just makes overall just building out this chatbot a lot simpler. Right here, boom. But we're gonna continue here. Smart credit. By the way, can you provide a solution? We ready to start this week? I'd be like, yes, I am. Oh shit, I texted on there. I meant to say, yes, I am in here. Yes, I am. Boom. I don't think that's gonna have, I don't think that's gonna fuck it up here. So I think it should be good. Let me just make sure that over here, that's draft. We're good there. 1 minute ago, it should be good. So now it should come in now by inviting me to a 15-minute strategy session. Hope I didn't fuck it up by responding SIM on this channel over here. But if I did, no worries. I mean, it could have been a number of things. It could be the Zapier not loading quick enough, but yeah, I think I fucked it up. He's just still having this over here. Let me make sure. I might have fucked it up, to be honest. Let me try saying yes again here. But I think because I said this, it kind of screwed it up. That plus I was adding Zapier, so some of these things sometimes fuck it up. So screw it. I don't want to waste you guys' time. Let's go back here. So delete my contact, restart in the beginning. Because even then, we did change that one thing. I do want to make sure that it's running now right. Because I don't want to have that fluff on there before it gives them the smart credit link. So I'm just restart this bot. Run it from the top, from the top, from the top, boys. All right. Boys and gals, but even though majority of my viewers are men, Blade, Dorado at AOL.com. Who uses AOL? All right, from the top, from the top, from the top. Sweet. Text messages went out. Be like, sure. Do you mind if I ask you a couple quick questions? I respond back, yes, sure. Shoot away, you know. And I'm gonna wait for this bot to then talk back. Talk to me nice, bot. No prequalification bot. Boom. Hi, Blake. Thanks for being willing to answer a few questions. Help us understand how we can better assist you. To be honest, I don't like all that fluff, but I mean, it's fine. First off, can you share your current credit score and let me know what specific items you're looking to get off? And I'm gonna be like, I got 600 and high idealization. Have you ever filed for bankruptcy? I'm like, nope. Nope, never. Nope, I don't have access to my FICO report. And now this is a good part because we're going to find out how it responds to this. Because remember, we want it to send us the direct link from here. We don't want it to be like, hey, recommend this. So do. Yes, cha-ching. You see that problem solving right there? Yeah, you go, Blake. Give myself a pat in the back. Oh my god, I was so corny now. All right. Would you be able to get right? Sorry. Yes. I mean, what you could even be like is make sure that they confirm that they signed up with a smart credit link. But hey, once you sign up, send us back your email, and then we can schedule you in for consultation. But now we got the 15-minute credit consultation. Now, what's really cool about this, what I want to, before I move forward, I'm going to refresh this just to make sure all the data is going through accurately. The reason why I'm refreshing this is I want to show you that 15-minute, when it says 15-minute credit consultation, I'll show you the exact workflow it pops this up, is that when it does that, when it says 15-minute, it's going to then activate the booking bot when I respond yes to that. So I'm going to be like, yes. I responded yes. I mean, send it right away, but I want to show you the actual bot status changing. Seeing bot status right over there. That's through the other GPT workflow over here. So, like for example, you go over here. I just want to show you where it is so you guys understand. Freaking love Go High Level, guys. It's amazing. And it's constantly growing. Like literally yesterday I made a video on this and it didn't have all this content.ai. I didn't have all that. Didn't have this bot training portion here, which I think is so cool now. But as you can see, it says failed, so it's not exactly there yet, but it will be. Just give God love some time. I know already my boy Sean Clark out here making moves. I know how he is. This guy's a freaking hustler, and he wants us to be on here so he can provide us with the best platform possible. You know, he's a freaking amazing guy. All right, but over here, yeah. Is this call to action message? If it says 15 minutes, pretty much, it's gonna be like cool. Yes. Is this a call to action message? You'd be like, no, it goes over here. But yes, it goes over here. And then when you respond to it, it updates the contact field of bot. And when it updates the contact field of bot, then it starts up the actual Go High Level bot over here, the booking bot. Boom, boom, boom. What I put over here? I think it's the new one over here. Let me rename this real quick. GHL booking bot. Let's rock, baby. Let's rock. Let's rock. Let's go. Let's go. All right. When we're free, we can call tomorrow. Now, what is nice about ZapidChat that Go High Level doesn't have is that ZapidChat will read your calendar and look at the 2 times that you're available tomorrow and give those times. Whereas Go High Level asks, hey, when are you free? Which I'm not too crazy about, but I already know Go High Level is going to change that shit right out. All right. You're booked for the time requested. Here are some opening times. It'll be tomorrow, I guess, in his calendar. Thursday is not free, but Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday works best for me. So I'm gonna be like, let's do Tuesday. Let's do Tuesday. And that now it should show some times, but this all comes over here directly from reading your Go High Level calendar, which should hopefully be already synced with your Google Calendar. I'm like, let's do Tuesday. Here's openings. Let's do 9 a.m. works. 9 a.m. works. Boom. Let's rock, let's rock, let's rock, let's go, let's go, let's go. See, now this is why I make sure I charge a management fee because Go High Level is constantly updating their shit. You know, these booking bots I probably change around. I forward there's probably my 4th version. And I already know I gotta change it out again because the pre-qualification bot is getting completely replaced with a Go High Level now. So yeah, we booked it. Yes. That's why I charge like a management fee rather than just, well, I do charge a setup fee sometimes depending on what you need, but I will mainly charge a management fee so I can manage all this shit for you. So guys, if you're a Funnel Hacker Lab member, you get ready to get a whole lot. But if you want your entire Go High level account just managed for you, we already know we got your back. All right. Let's go over here. Let's go to notes. I'm gonna go to appointment, my bad. Because as you can see, it booked the appointment. Well, maybe refresh. Let me see. Because I just got the text message congratulating me and stuff. So let's go over here just to confirm that I booked the appointment. You know, just so because it makes me look good. It makes me look like I'm doing my job. Boom. And we Gucci, baby. We Gucci. We Gucci. Great. We Gucci. Great. All right, guys. Like I said, guys, make sure you check out funnelhackerlabs.com. It's the one place that you can get complete dedicated support from yours truly and all my entire team to make sure that you guys just make money. You know, it's an entire network of alpha funnel marketers that you can network with, that we could help you out with things. There's a great chat support that's on our shit. You get access to the funnel library, the design demand form, a social media booster, but I can't talk about that right now because it's secret in development. And a whole lot of other things, like a lot of affiliate opportunities, a lot of passive income producing opportunities. And overall, you know, we just want to become your go-to funnel buildings and back-end automations experts. So guys, check out Funnel Hacker Labs right now. Join the work network, guys. Tune in because there's nobody more dedicated to growing your business than us over here at Funnel Hacker Labs, guys. And for that, I'll be tuning off, guys. Any questions, comments, concerns, you guys already know. You guys already know how to get in contact with me. And I want to thank you guys for watching as always. And I'll see you at the top. Peace.